Good morning, students. I hope you are doing well at home. Today, we are going to color the parrot that is on page number 14 of your drawing book. Now, start with the green crayon color. Move the color in a one direction to get the beautiful effect of crayon colors, as I am doing here. Do it very neatly. After doing the green color, now take red crayon color and color the beak of the parrot. And the line. Now do silver color in the feet of the parrot. So your beautiful parrot is ready. I hope you enjoyed this video. Have a nice day.